What a Krabby Patty. Oh, they battled. Turquoise fell off. That's the fast one, of course. Oh, hey, there's Greenie. Oh, come on, stop falling. Stop bursting through, and that versus battle. I can't help you. You went on the group yourself. It's your idea. These two almost look the same, but then when you look at the designs and bottoms, they're different. Oh, Greenie fell. There's still some right there. That one's skin dead. Uh-oh, that one fell out. And the blue. Slow one. That isn't as slow as it was at first, I don't think. I think that's just because how it's been off for a little bit. I wonder what it's like when I wonder how long it takes for that black and green run completely dead. I've never had it run completely dead before, ever. Uh-oh, one fell out. Look at all of them come. That's the dark purple, I think. Nope, this is the dark purple. Here comes some. Oh, sky blue fell out. Let's go over here. Oh, the purple, dark one. The cover fell off. The cover doesn't go on that one. I think the cover is broken for this. The screw hole is too big, I think. And I didn't even notice that till now. The green under it. I like that green under it. It's cool. I like it more than the orange, actually, because it's just newer. I mean, even the blue one has orange under it. That one. What the? You let him escape. Oh. Fell out. Purple. Here, I'll show you what I'm gonna make one go down. Go! Oh, wow, really? When one's trying to go down, that's when one tries to come up. That is just not right. Only one may enter. Okay. Then it's gonna come back up. Oh, there's a lot that fell out. Well, it's already over there. The slow one. There's the fast one. One fell hello. I hear one stuck somewhere. Unless that's just an airplane flying outside. This is the one, that other one that has orange under it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And it's not supposed to be orange even. It's supposed to be red. Get up, lazy. I'm tired of helping you up when you can do it yourself. That's your job. Oh, it quit. See, it's the battery area. The battery's